I sent my husband to the store to get this. And this is actually the second bottle that he went to get. And the first bottle was all dried up and disgusting and nasty. Okay. There's a thing here. So I guess it's rocket science when you have to. Okay, let's try this again. Hey everybody. Hi, Dr. Nick. Okay, I gotta edit that part out. Now. Hey everybody, it's Shante. Now, I'm coming to you to do a video about putting on eyelashes. Now, I am not an expert at this, and this is my first time actually doing it with this, using this method. But I learned this method from MsAaliayahJay, and I'll post her video, the video that I used at the bottom. And it's over 2 years old, but I figure she's probably still using it. I'm gonna use it today to see if I can get these things to stick on there. I am tired of trying to fight to get eyelashes on, and I just want a seamless method that I could put on and put off. So I don't have any makeup on right now, and I am just about to just try these thingamabobs. Try these eyelashes, try to put them on. And what she used to put eyelashes on is nothing more than old-fashioned hair glue. Yes, folks, she's using hair glue. So, I mean, or she did. I don't know if she does anymore. She probably has people that, you know, stylists to put her lashes on now. But she used hair glue in that video. So, I'm going to just use a little bit of hair glue on the line and see. What makes the difference is how much you use. Because I heard horror stories, and I've got a bag here just in case like there's some drippage. But I've heard horror stories about using this on your eyes, but okay, it doesn't want to come out. So now what she said was, y'all see this? Y'all see this? Okay. What she said was, she said you want to hold the lash like in the middle and all the way up to, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we're going to do, but we got to put the glue on there first. So now we're going to try the glue again. See, that's what happens. You know what I'm saying? Like a whole chunk of it comes out and it like leaks onto. But see, I don't want a whole chunk of it. I just want a smidget. Okay, so I got it on there. I got it on there, but I still got too much of it on there, so I'm just gonna wipe it off with my nail. Okay, I'm gonna have to clean my nails up, but I'm gonna wipe it off with my nail because I don't want it to drip into my eye and be all twisted looking and stuff. So, and this is good because she didn't let it like dry, but she kind of fanned it so that it could kind of get tacky. But I'm just taking a little bit off with my nail right now, so I don't want it too much. Okay, so don't know if you can see that, but it's like very little on there. So I'm gonna switch hands. I'm right-handed, and I'm gonna look in my mirror too. So if you see me, you know, I'm looking in my mirror. You know, actually, I'm gonna, because what she did was she brought the mirror down below her chin. So now you can see my mirror. And I'm going to do exactly what she did. So now she went at a 45-degree angle And she put them on her lashes. Now you want to put it on your lash, son of a. You want to put it on your lash and not on your eyelid, because I'm hearing word that putting it on your eyelid is a no-no. So you want to put it on your lash and not your eyelid. Okay. So apparently it got on my eyelid, but I'm trying to move it to my lash, and I'm trying to like squeeze it. That's what you want to do. You want to squeeze it to your lashes to make them. And these are comically big. Like, I don't even like these. I'm gonna end up trimming these or finding me some that's natural looking, because I like the lashes, but I just don't like those huge oversized lashes. Like, they have to be normal looking for me. Okay, so that didn't work. That sucked. Let me try to put some more glue on there again. And that noise you hear in the background is my son terrorizing the house. So I'm just peeling the glue off here, because once that glue dries, then it's hard for it to get to stick onto, and I think that's what happened. I just waited too long to stick it on to my eye, because it dries fast, and once that glue dries, honey, it's over. So it's easy to just pull this glue off of here. So that's what you want to do. Just once it dries, you can just peel that glue off. It's not a problem. I don't have any glue on my eyelids right now. And so I'm going to get up close so y'all can see what I'm doing. So you see how much glue is coming out? It's not really that much. I just want a thin layer. Thin little strip. Okay. And now we're not going to play no games. We're just going to get right into it and try to put it on the lash. See, I don't like that shit be scaring me, because I do not want it to drip. Okay. Bro, and I got some on my lid though. So I'm just gonna, I'll put that down. I'm just gonna straighten it out with my hand. I mean, it's on there, but I mean, if you see that blackness, I have hair glue on my eyelid. I can just like scrape that off. That's not a problem. I'm just gonna scrape that off. See, it comes off easy peasy. But The edges are not sticking. Okay, maybe I had to press it some more. That end stuck down. Peeled it off again. That's attempt number 2. All right, attempt number 3. And usually you're supposed to put the mascara on and everything, but I didn't put any mascara on. You're supposed to put it on first before you put the lashes on, but I didn't put any mascara on because I was just trying to check these out and see if I could do these. And I just bought some eyelashes from, oh, you know what? I just bought some lashes from my local beauty supply. Just had my husband run and get some. He didn't know which ones to get. We FaceTime each other. Okay, so attempt number 3. For all the regular people that's out here trying to try this, it's not beauty gurus. Y'all just like, you know what I'm saying? I want to try it. Give it a shot. It's not rocket science, but it damn sure feel that way. I'm trying to tell you. All right, back down. So we got a little bit on here. Try this again. Put it on the lash, not on the eyelid. Bitch, stop playing. Did I get it on there? Fuck, I just poked myself in the eye with my fingernail. And my son is trying to ruin this video. Bitch, I think I got it. Is it on my eyelid? Stop playing. I think I got it. It only took 3 tries. Trying to see if this inner corner is kind of janky. Well, for the most part, it's on there. Look at that shit, bitch. I got it. Let's see if I can get the other one. And it doesn't feel heavy or weighted or anything. It just feels weird because I'm not really used to wearing lashes, so I have to get used to something like that. But other than that, the trick or the key is to put it on there while the glue is still wet. Because if you wait too long for it to get too tacky, it's going to dry on you and you're not going to be able to get the lash on. So these are lessons learned while we're doing this. Oh! I might have to re-glue it. Let's see. I can't do it with this damn. I have to slap it on there with my hands because I can't do it with the tweezers. Chicks out here doing it with the tweezers is professionals. Ain't no damn professional. And I can't get my left eye on. I'm not left-handed. But I did try this one time with the eyelash glue, and it was just a whole big mess. Like, it wouldn't even stay on. I was like, man, what is this? I couldn't get it to save my life. But with the hair glue, it does seem a little easier, even though I'm getting it on my eyelid. But I could just get that off. I got it, y'all. Get a little closer so y'all can see. I got it. Yay. So, it only took me an entire 18 minutes to get them lashes on, honey. But I guess once I get the hang of it, and this is still, I'm going to fix this corner. Because this corner banging, but this corner kind of iffy. So, I'm going to fix that corner. But I reckon once I start putting them on, a lot and getting it, it'll be easy peasy for me. But the hair glue did actually do better than the eyelash glue, because like I said, I tried that and it took me forever, and I got it on, but it wasn't right. But here I was able to get it on easy peasy, it seems like. Not so bad, maybe 3 tries. So it really wasn't that bad. Here's my son. Say hi. My son Kyler, he's trying to get my birthday balloons today. It's my birthday. So, but thank you guys for watching. If you need if you have any questions, let me know. Leave a comment down below. And also, if you want to see me do any other kind of videos, or if you need like an in-depth video of this, or want to see me try some different kind of lashes, let me know, and I'll try to get those videos out. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.